Now we have ordering of fraction. Ordering of fraction. Ordering of fraction means arranging fraction in ascending order or descending order. Arranging fraction in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to the largest, while descending order means from the largest to the smallest. So when fraction is arranged in any of this order, that is what we call ordering of fractions. Let's look at the methods that we can use to order fractions. When we have fraction with the same denominator, to order them is very, very simple. All you need to do is to check their numerators. You check the numerators. So in this fraction, the denominator is the same, that's 7, but the numerators are different. So the smaller numerator means the fraction is smaller, while the bigger numerator means that the fraction is bigger. And this applies when the fraction has the same denominator. So let us order this fraction according to their ascending order. Ascending order from the smallest to the largest. The smallest here is 2 over 7, followed by 5 over 7, and the biggest is 6 over 7. So we have ordered this fraction very, very simple because they have the same denominator. Looking at their numerator, it shows you. They have the same denominator. Looking at their numerator shows you the order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. If I want to order it in descending order means from the largest to the smallest. Yes, here is 6 over 7, followed by 5 over 7, then followed by 2. The smallest is 2 over 7. This is a descending order, while this is a ascending order. Ascending order. Descending order. So this is a ascending order and this is a descending order. The second method of ordering fraction is when you consider fraction with the same numerator. Unlike the previous one when we did the same denominator, this one the numerators are the same. So it's easy for you to know the bigger or the smaller number, the smaller fraction. For you to know the smaller fraction is the one with the biggest denominator, while the biggest fraction is the one with the smallest denominator, especially when they have the same numerator. Now looking at this fraction, their numerators are the same. 3 is the numerator, while the denominators are different. So the smallest of them is 3 over 9 because the denominator 9 here is the biggest. So that means that is the smallest fraction there. 3 over 9. So the one that is following it is 6. 3 over 6 is followed by 3 over 6. Followed by 3 over 6. The one with the smallest denominator, which is 5, followed by 3 over 5. So when you look at this is in ascending order. This is the smallest, and while this is the biggest. So when the numerators are the same, and you want to compare the fraction, look at their denominator. The biggest denominator shows the smallest fraction, while the smallest denominator shows the biggest fraction. So let's take a look at the third method in ordering fraction. So the next method of arranging or ordering fraction is fraction with different denominators. So in this case, we have 2 over 3, 3 over 5, 4 over 15. They have different denominators. And for us to find out the bigger or the smaller one, what you have to do is to convert them to their equivalent fraction. What did I say? Convert them to their equivalent fraction by first of all finding their LCM. So when I find the LCM of 3, 5, and 15, the LCM of the denominators, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. And the denominators are 3, 5, and 15. So let me find the LCM of 3, 5, and 15 here. So you know how to find the LCM. Let us do it together. This is 3, 5, and 15. So I want to find the LCM of this by dividing it using their prime factor. Okay, what can go is 3. If 3 divide 3, it will give us 1. If you divide 5, it cannot go. I bring down my 5. If you divide 15, that will give us a 5. What else can divide here? Now we have 5. 5 cannot go into 1. I bring down my 1. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 5, 1. So to find the LCM, we multiply these prime factors, which is 3 times 5. 3 times 5 will give me what? 15. So the LCM of 3, 5, and 15 is 15. And that 15 will become our denominator. We will convert this fraction into the equivalent fraction using 15 as denominator. Now, for 2 over 3, let us convert it. Remember, our denominator now will be 15. So 2 over 3 is equal to, since our denominator is 15, what will be our numerator? So the easiest way to do is 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 will give you what? 5. And you say 5 times 2, 10. That will be what is here. You divide this denominator by this denominator. That is 15 divided by 3. That will give me 5. And I multiply with the numerator. 5 times 2, 10. Or you can simply just say, since our denominator has changed to 15, 3 times what gave me this 15? 3 times 5 gave me this 15. Therefore, I will multiply the numerator by 5. 2 times 5 will give me 10. That's an easy method to do it. Now, so 2 over 5 is now 10 over 15. Now for our 3 over 5. The 3 over 5, how do we convert it? Remember that our denominator will now become 15, which is the LCM. 3 over 5. So our denominator is 15. So if this denominator is 15, 15 times 5 times 4 gave me 15. 5 times 3 gave me 15. Therefore, I'm going to multiply our numerator by 3. 3 times 3 will give me 9. Why am I saying it? I cross-check 5 times what? What did 5 multiply into to give me 15? It is 5 times 3 that gave this 15. So the numerator will be multiplied by the same number. 3 times 3, 9. Or you can still do our previous method of saying 15 divided by 5. That will give us 3. 3 times 3, 9. Whichever method will still give you the correct answer. So let us convert our 4 over 15. 4 over 15 is already having our 15 as denominator, so we don't have any issue with it. So 4 over 15 is the same as 4 over 15. 4 over 15 is equal to 4 over 15 because the denominator is the same. So looking at this fraction now, what are we going to do? We're going to check the numerators. When you check the numerators, which one is bigger? We are arranging ascending order. So this is the smallest, followed by this, followed by this. So in ascending order, that means this is followed by this, by this. That means 4 over 15, followed by 3 over 5, followed by 2 over 5. That is in ascending order. That is the ascending order of this fraction. So let me rearrange it in ascending order. It will be 4 over 15, followed by 3 over 5, which is the next, 3 over 5, followed by 2 over 3. Because the equivalent fraction has helped me to know the bigger one. 4 over 15, followed by 3 over 5, followed by 2 over 3. That is the arrangement in ascending order. Practice more and you'll be perfect.